And let's go ahead. Can you do me a favor and pop out one of these hearts since we're almost to Valentine's Day? We're almost.
Do you want a white underbase or no?
I'm gonna go with the white underbase because it's super vibrant and it's just really.
All right.
Yep. So as you can see how easy that was, and we're gonna put it back. And that's just a little piece of paper just to kind of hold it.
Yeah, it's sticker. It's tape, so these don't fall out.
But look at that. And does that look vectored to you? Let me see. My eyes.
Yes.
Oh wow. See, you can't even. It's not. Look at the light. See how the light. It's a little raised, but you see how the light is kind of. Is the light catching? Hold on in the camera. I want to really kind of show off the detail. Yeah. So as you can see right there, look at the detail in the heart. Look at the blood right there in the heart. This on clear, I don't think that the gray background does this one justice. Just look at that in the light and watch it shine. Imagine this on clear, double-sided. It would look so vibrant. But again, it still looks vibrant as you guys just seen on camera, but